Hey, I'm here in Dunnville at my latest listing. We're located on a quiet, mature street, and behind me is a 3-bed, 1.5 bath, fully finished side split with 6 parking spots. And before we get inside, check out this location. I'm Wes Skilstra from the Wayne Skilstra team, and let's take a look at 162 Kneider Avenue, Dunnville. Thanks so much for taking this awesome tour with me today. If you would like more information on how to live in this amazing neighborhood, close to the Grand River, close to all amenities, call, text, or email me anytime.